Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amethyst Winters. I am also known as Jennifer Miller, but that is my real name. I am also known as Amethyst Winters. I am a mother of 4, co-parenting, I am an author, and I am a makeup lover. And this is an unboxing. And this I ordered about, honestly, I was really impressed with shipping because I also ordered something from Ulta and it took less. So this is like the last of my tax money, so just so you know, I don't normally do this, but decided to reward myself because I got some things paid off. And I was really, really proud of myself. Still have many others, but hey, baby steps. So what this is if you couldn't tell by the title, is some stuff from Hipdot. Covering my name there, Hipdot. So I thought we'd open it together. I am really excited about this. I've never owned a Hipdot palette before. I've heard of them. Anya, and I watched the video, and I was talking to her, and she was like, "Oh yeah, I reviewed her Kesha palette," and I was like, "Oh yeah, I'll have to go look at it." I saw it. I saw it. And sometimes my head's not all with the game, and believe it or not, that was typical me. Not the whole part. I'll watch a movie and I'll forget that I saw it. I'm like, I haven't seen that one, and everybody's like, "Yeah, you have. You went with me." I was like, "Did I?" They're like, "Yeah." I don't remember nothing about it. It's part of, I think, don't quote me, I'm no psychiatrist, but I think it's all part of the being ADHD, attention. So we kind of go, so yeah, I apologize, but I have seen that video, Anya. But I have, look at this. It's all bubble wrap. Look at how tightly that is wound. Woo! I am so excited about this. I am super stoked. So, this is a Hipdot order, and I think I have 4 palettes. Don't need 4 palettes, but all my palettes are old, and the thing about them is most of them are neutral, and most of them are by the same company. I have like vast amounts of this, vast amounts of this, and vast amounts of this, and it, oh, sorry. Oh. Yep. That should not be like that. Sorry. I am trying to do 2 things at once, and I'm trying to upload something and it just won't cooperate. That's just the way it goes sometimes. But we'll worry about that later. Oh wow, and each of them are individually wrapped in their own bubble wrap. I love that. I'm going to keep the bubble wrap because not only am I doing a giveaway, but I have 2 friends' birthdays coming up, and I intend to spoil the crap out of them, because I was spoiled. So it's time to pay it forward. Okay. In no particular order, however, there is one. Yep, that's the one I want to do last. Okay. And I do not know what they are called before I open it, except for one, because it's obvious, and you will see. And any of you who know Hipdot might be able to guess. But I'm super excited about these. They looked gorgeous. This is the Rio palette. Gorgeous packaging. This is the outer carton. Still gorgeous, still gorgeous. That is a beautiful emblem. I'm working on an emblem for myself because, as I say at the beginning of every video, I am an author, and I kind of want I want to do my own line when it comes to merchandise, because you know every big author has their own line. I first saw when I saw Christine Feehan. She had her own symbol for her vampires. She does the Carpathian vampires as well as 4 or 5 other series, and just love her stuff. I am a big Christine Feehan fan. Oh my goodness. I believe these are, okay, nope, there's one more like a satiny finish. I believe that's going to be a satiny finish and not a shimmery. There's one that looks like a satin, maybe 2, 3. Maybe 3 satins and the rest are mattes and 3 glitters. But I freaking love the colors and a nice big gorgeous mirror. But look at those colors, and I am horrible when it comes to this, so my apologies. Look at those colors. Absolutely stunning. Let's just swatch a few just so we can see. Oh yeah, we're going to do that green. We're going to do that pink. The green is called Amazon, of course. The pink is called, I cannot read it. My eyes are so bad. I need to get glasses. It begins with a C. Okay, it's something. And let's do that deep purple. That purple shade right there. And sorry about the blinding you. Deep purple right there. Called Allure. I can read that one. Ah. Okay. Starting with the green, which is Amazon. I did some swatches earlier in an earlier video. My bad. Let's go this way. Oh no, we're going to start with the pink. And boy, is that vivid. And then the green. Oh my gosh. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't you dare. Okay, we're going to swatch the nice lavender one. As I stuck my finger in it to keep it from falling. There's that deep purple. And there's a lavender one right next to it. Yeah, life. Sodite. Sodite, 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 sodite. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna, apologies. I have an amazing time with those. Woo! I just love color. I love neutrals too. This is actually only 2 shadows. This deep purple is from a quad by e.l.f., a little e.l.f. quad that was $2, $2 or $3, and this is a nice gold, and it was the more expensive, and it was a single from Sephora, and it's a beautiful golden shade. Yeah, you're gonna see that, so sorry. But yeah, I do like my neutrals, but I love my colors. I love my colors. Now this is Legendary. Oh yeah. And I believe, yeah, awesome, yes. I wanted another one. I can't. Okay, so hi, my name is Jennifer Miller, also known as Amethyst Winters. I am a glitter obsessed person. I have a glitter palette by ColourPop. It's a 12 shadow palette. Oops, not even. I knew it when I ordered it because it said it was. I can't help it. I freaking love glitter. Oh, I love glitter. This is a shimmer, granted, but every other look, if I could, would have glitter, just so you know. And I've not had any caffeine, but you kind of think I have. I don't know. You might be right. I had a little. Diet Coke has its own, just not a lot, but I kind of think I have. But I have a lot of work to do on my writing, so I'll be up for a while. I remember back in the day, and I just got out of it by working overnights. I used to write well into the night. I love it. It's what my heart wants to do most, is write. Okay, but I love makeup. Woo, I love playing with makeup. This is Cenote, or Cenote, but I believe it's Cenote. Oh, and I wanted to read these along the bottom. It says cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, talc-free, and something free. Something oil-free. Well, let me look that up. Or look that up. Let me read that real quick. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even know that was a thing. Mineral oil free. So, I am going to try to cut this video a little shorter because I have plans. Not really. It's movie night with the kids. But isn't that gorgeous? I just love packaging. Sucks me in every time. Oh, yes! It's just like the one. I just got, oh, so pretty. So pretty. And just like the others, I can almost guarantee this. No. Yes. Oh, that is awesome. It stands up on its own. I wonder if the others do that. I think they do. I am an idiot. I think they do. Okay. This is called Cenote, and look at those colors. Ah, I love them. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmers, 8 shimmers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes. Looks like I'm in a, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm done. I'm serious. I can be serious. I'm just not serious often. I cannot wait till my other unboxing video. Staring at it going, I want to do it now, but I got things to do, so I'll get it done tonight. But what? I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Then I have one more that is still on its way, and I cannot wait till it gets here too because it's very special. And you'll see it when it gets here. You'll understand. Or if you don't, I will inform you. But I'm pretty certain you'll know. Last but not least, ta-da! I know, right? I'm 2. I'm 2. Yeah, no, I'm 2 3/4. This is the SpongeBob palette, and of course I'm going to get it. I want the whole collection, but I spent so much on this, and there were so many other things I wanted that I couldn't. They have a 5-piece collection, but it didn't have a couple of the ones that I wanted in it, so I didn't end up, getting it. But I'm glad I got what I got. And I'm certain if I like this stuff, I will order other stuff by them. I think, don't quote me, I think they're an indie company. I know there's people that will know. Anya will know. Anya Stumper, also known as Pink Sweets on YouTube. She'll know, but I'm not 100% certain, but I think they are. Okay. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Sorry. So it's a lot like Rio, except there are some colors in there that Rio doesn't have, like these yellows, this row. That purple is similar but not quite the same. That pink is similar but not quite the same. So I mean, it is similar to Rio but not identical. And it has, ooh, it's got a good variety. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shimmers. However, 1, 2, look like 3 maybe, look like they can be satins instead of shimmers. And then they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. I'm a shimmer girl. Through and through. I am a shimmer girl. Shimmer glitter, the better. So I'm not sad. Not at all. But so excited to play around with these. So excited. So in case you don't know, and I will announce it on the first video that I started, I am starting a 4 palettes with 1 look. Oh Lord. 4 looks with 1 palette series on the second Monday of the month, and it will be with palettes I have never used before, that I have recently purchased and have never used before. So I cannot wait to start this. I am so excited. I've got 4 new ones to add to my collection of already 4. I have 1 going up that was my, I'm not going to give anything away, but I would love it if you would go watch it. Sorry. Come on, see, attention. This is the ADHD in me. But I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Hipdot, ever heard of them? Ever used them? Ever have them? Have any of them? I know Anya has the Kesha one. I did look at that one, and it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I was just limited. Colors draw me. More colors, the better. It's not one particular color group. It's colors. It goes, woo! Oh, I got 2 other palettes to add to my collection too. That video was aired Monday. That was from DD Decor. I do have some others that you will be seeing. Actually, no, that video aired Saturday, maybe even Sunday. I am not certain. The one where I unboxed, because I'm doing it all the same day, and yeah, I want to get it up ASAP. I would like to get it up tomorrow, which is Saturday, but it may not. It may be Sunday. We shall see. But if it goes up Sunday, it will still be before this, because this is going up Monday. Hopefully. Maybe Tuesday. Just saying. So, I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for sticking around. Love you all. Bye.